10 Rules of Monsoon Safety in an Industrial Workplace. When it comes to monsoon safety in an industrial workplace, it's crucial to take precautions to protect the well-being of employees and prevent accidents. Here are 10 rules to follow for monsoon safety in an industrial workplace. Regular maintenance of machinery and equipment. Ensure that all machinery and equipment are regularly inspected and properly maintained to minimize the risk of malfunction or failure during the monsoon season. Secure the workplace building structures. Check the integrity of buildings, roofs, and structures to ensure they are stable and resistant to heavy rainfall, high winds, and potential flooding. Adequate drainage. Maintain proper drainage systems, including gutters, drains, and ditches, to prevent water accumulation and flooding in work areas. Slip and fall prevention. Keep walkways, stairs, and platforms clear of any debris, water, or slippery substances that could increase the risk of slips, trips, and falls. Electrical safety. Inspect electrical installations, including wiring, outlets, and equipment, to ensure they are safe and protected against water infiltration. Implement proper grounding measures and use electrical safety devices. Emergency preparedness. Develop and communicate an emergency response plan that addresses potential risks during heavy rain, storms, or flooding. Conduct regular drills to ensure employees are familiar with the procedures. Personal protective equipment. Provide appropriate personal protective equipment, such as rain gear, non-slip footwear, and eye protection, to employees working in outdoor or exposed areas. Training and awareness. Conduct training programs to educate employees about monsoon safety measures, including hazard identification, emergency procedures, and the proper use of equipment. Vehicle safety. Ensure that vehicles used on industrial premises, such as forklifts or trucks, are inspected, maintained, and equipped with necessary safety features. Emphasize safe driving practices, especially during wet conditions. Monitor weather conditions. Stay updated on weather forecasts and maintains communication channels to receive real-time alerts about severe weather events. Consider suspending outdoor work or taking additional precautions when conditions pose a significant risk. Thanks for your valuable time. Have a safe day.